Salzburg Castle, and I'm looking at it from 405, the Carmen Suite at the Hotel Sacher, and it's the most glorious day. And tonight I am going to a Mozart at the Salzburg Festival. Such a thrill. I'm swinging around to show you the river. We can't see the crowds here, but I know there are so many crowds around everywhere. When I stayed here before, I was in a rather poky little room, up lots of stairs. This time it's very easy. Elevator up to the 4th floor, walk around an open atrium, and here I am. I'm going to start with the bedroom. It's so tasteful. Looks like masses of storage space. Big safe, connecting room. Quite right, it is a big space. Hey, I rather like the way that the bath mat is scrunched up. Big shower. And I can turn it on without getting wet. Good lighting, etro toiletries as in Vienna, and again as in Vienna, a mirrored pull-out wall between bathroom and outside, very useful for contact lens close-ups. This looks just lovely. Adore the colouring. It's so chic. It's exactly the opposite of Vienna, which is all Regency and tradition. This is modern taupe and very nice.